Hey, what's up, folks? It's AJ with Hippie Fertilizing, out here spraying. Oh, I got the little cute puppies running around. So I want to show y'all something. I really wish I had some befores on this because it was a hot mess. Okay, but last year was tough when it came to sod. All sod was coming with like sod webworms. All right, so you know it's not really like the installer's fault. It was a tough deal. I was out, you know, fertilizing lawns and we're having issues, but I want y'all to see something. This lawn last year, and I started late last year like I did with many others, was yellow, all yellow. So check this out. It's not yellow, it's green. There's some yellow in it for sure, and as I look through the camera, you're seeing more yellow and I'm seeing more green. Like, all this stuff though, if I didn't do what I did this year or early last year, late last year, whenever, it would have been brown, because it was brown when I got here. So again, it was like another quite extensive first time fertilizing. They hopped on the monthly fertilizing program, and we're gonna keep moving and shaking, you know, and spraying and spreading, supporting that SSB, baby. So we're gonna see good stuff, but sod webworms were a problem. Cutting lawns, problem. Trying to treat lawns the wrong way, a problem. Let's solve them. Let's feed it. Let's not treat it. Let's, you know, use healthy stuff that's safe for the pets. Look at this little guy. I don't know if you can see him. I can't see the angle. Oh, you can see him. And he's just out following me around. I'm gonna try and scoot him in the doggy door before I get started. I don't want him running off. I had to chase him down last time. Whoops. Anyway, just a little lawn update. I'm over here in the South Shore area and we're gonna get it growing green. That's what I do. Boom. Nobody knows grass like a hippie. Grows so good it's kind of trippy. Check out hippiefertilizing.com. Peace.